Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I don't have a bunch of time. My battery's low. So today we're just honestly gonna be walking around. I don't really know what we're gonna do today, but hopefully it can be something good. Sorry I have not posted in a long time. I honestly forgot about it and the camera's been bad. So yep. Hope you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Let's go. Alright, time to get started. But what do we do exactly? I don't know. I guess we can... Huh? No, we don't. Yeah, we need gas. We need my keys.
Get him out of here.
Alright, come here, Colt. Okay. Oh, and also Colt's with me. Ding. Alright. We're gonna try to put some gas in my lawnmower. We're not gonna put a bunch. Alright, come here. The gas tank is empty. Stop. Yeah. No, hold it. Hold the camera on.
I'll hold it on the gas tank.
I don't know.
I'm holding it.
It's very heavy.
It's probably just water.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's freaking gas. It's freaking gas in there. But it's gonna be heavy too. Look at that, he's limping. Kid's limping.
I got you.
I just made a funny face of the camera.
Hold on, guys. I gotta go get something. Do it.
So that's the gas right there. You can't see. That's the gas tank he's gonna put in there. Y'all probably, yeah, you're dirty and wet. Don't worry about that axe that's over there.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Alright.
I'm trying to get some gas in here, boys.
Yeah, wait, it's not even open.
What, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Watch. What the frick?
I'm not putting a bunch, guys, so that should be enough.
I like the smell of gas.
It's not a bunch for us. I guess I can put a little bit more, guys.
Yeah, put a little bit more.
I can't drive it.
Because he doesn't have the keys yet.
No, the keys. Oh, frick. I'm sorry.
What the frick?
Did it get on you bad?
Yes.
Let me see.
Hold camera.
All right, hold on.
Well, I'll be right back.
Get the keys while you're inside, too.
Okay. Wait, will this light up on me?
Well, I don't know. Yes, but if you wash coal, it's only got to be touched by fire. Okay. I accidentally spilt it. Colt, not, it's on his foot, though. Well, guys, my mother, guys, I don't have the, well, I'm not saying I ain't got the best mother. I got the awesomest of mother. But my mother kind of won't let me do it. So I don't know if I get to do it with y'all. If not, see my day when he gets home. I'll ask him, see if he'll let us. See if he'll let us just try to crank her up or something. She does, I'll get back with y'all. But for now, oh, and also, if my brother does get the keys out, I'm gonna record again. It's gonna be a quicker video though. I'm just gonna do me firing her up, and I'll cut it right back off. So until the next time, you know what to do. Stay chuggle global.